Alright guys, hola, bienvenidos, welcome and welcome back. Welcome to my HVAC truck. And let's take a look around real quick. Alright, so we got our tailgate down. Our bed cover has been really cool. So you just gotta, and I felt safe about it because once it's locked, you can't open this whatsoever. So squeeze to release, throw that back, and I have access if I need to put, I was gonna put like a 4-foot ladder and like some other stuff back there, but I didn't need it after all. So I've been able to just keep it covered and get what I need. You know, I can still grab and get some stuff out. What I'll end up doing is just pulling it forward. So I got power tools in this box, a lot of batteries up here in the little tray. This is reach-in parts, ice machine parts, you know, things that I work on a lot. I got a whole bunch of screws here. And then over here we have the drawer system. So I mostly work on walk-in boxes and RTUs, so contactors, all that kind of stuff. Most common parts that I'm going to use is in that area. So like I said, you know, being able to pull this out, I put a crate on this side and it fit perfectly side to side. So like I said, I put a crate over here. So what I initially had there was an ammo can, but it was going to leave too much space on the side. So I wanted to put a crate. Now the crate is just a little bit too wide, but it fits perfectly sideways. So like, you know, my hoses, I do have a vacuum pump in case we do a repair. Leak detector, that's something I use pretty often. A whole bunch of cleaning supplies because I was going to end up doing maintenance out of the truck. That was the initial plan, and things did not go as planned because I ended up running a ton of calls out of this. So this came in handy, you know, when I went to go work on some walk-ins and reach-ins, and then I needed contactors, you know, all my parts that I stocked, you know, most commonly came in handy. I didn't even get to do maintenance because that's what this crate was for. It's like water hoses and cleaning supplies, and I didn't even get to any of that. So I thought this was cool. I could change it out as I needed. I could throw in, like, take out the cleaning supplies and then put in like other tool bags or other like nitrogen, extra oxygen, acetylene. That was my go-to here. I can even throw in a refrigerant tank in there, right? Throw one in there, kind of wedge stuff in there, and be good to go on any like bigger repairs, because we were supposed to do a compressor and some installs, but all that stuff got pushed back, which is fine because I get to do that out of the van now. I'm supposed to get it back today, so that's why we're doing this HVAC truck that I've been working out of, and it's been working for me. Now if we get to the side door, thankfully I actually had these seat covers for my kids. I mean, buying a dark vehicle, they always give you the light colored seats. So, and I didn't want the leather, pleather, whatever it is. So I have that. I have an extra jacket. I have a hose hauler. If you guys are interested in a video on that, that thing's been great. We're trying out the JB manifold here, digital manifold. Just imagine my daily bag here. I can't show that quite yet. So daily bag, I was gonna put the install bag that I have, which is a wheeler, but I needed it one day. Had to go to Lowe's for like several things. I didn't have a tubing cutter on me. I didn't have, or a big enough tubing cutter. I didn't have PVC, like all that stuff I had to go and buy regardless. So that was the day that I needed an install bag. So I was gonna put it in here, but today's the day that I'm getting the van back. So no sense in going to get that. So I do have the turbo torch, so that's come in handy. I haven't used it in the truck, but it's a way to carry torches without carrying the whole oxyacetylene. But if I needed to do like a TXV or something, I would bring the oxyacetylene. It's in the backpack, it's not that hard to bring. That's my little MP1X. And then I'll show the other side real quick. So like I said, we got our hose hauler here, fits nice on the seat. This is the maintenance bag that I was talking about. So I was gonna do maintenance. You know, there's cleaner in there. And I can swap out the panel for ice machines, stuff like that. I'll do a video on this soon. It has tools. That's what I thought I was gonna be using all week, and I haven't used it, but it's here if I need it. I'll probably do maintenance tomorrow, but I'm getting the van back today. This little portable washer. It's not much of a pressure washer, but it's a Milwaukee one. $1.99 comes in handy for little reach-ins and quick rinses where you don't have water access, basically. So we get up into the truck bed. So that can retract. I got the drain and everything hooked up that I needed to. Now this is how this sits. So I'm gonna paint this because I don't like that it sticks out like that, but you cut it, I don't know if it was like 60 inches or something like that. Cut a piece of board. This was I believe a 2x10. Make your divider here. That way you don't have to, you know, buy a fancy one. This works just fine. It's kept everything that I needed, you know, separate. So I told some guys the pack outs were meant perfectly for this because it's the width that I need and all that, or the depth and the width. I'm able to lock it up, all that good stuff. Now these don't move because the pack outs have feet, right? So like all of this doesn't really, I mean right now it's kind of wedged, but even when I had the ammo style, like it doesn't move too much. You can move it, but I wasn't hearing it, you know, slide around or anything. But having this, 2 wide boxes and a sideways crate, it ain't gonna move at all. So yeah, like with this crate, it's hoses and different things right now, but I can take out whatever I'm not gonna use and then pull up a tank, pull up the nitrogen, whatever I need to, if we're gonna be brazing or anything like that. And in the front, there's nothing. So I still pick up my kid from work. I keep all that as clean as I can, right? Brand new truck, been using it for work, but it's been working out really good. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe that helped you out a little bit. If you guys are trying to work out of a truck too, it is possible. Ran so many calls. I was trying to lay low, but you know, work is work. I'm not gonna complain. If this helped you, you know, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I am gonna get out of here. Gotta go pick up the van. You ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here. See you guys.